Are you ready to play? Let's go on a fun adventure with me. Let's learn together, one giggle at a time.
Let's add for 75s together. 300. 75 added 4 times gives us a perfect 300. What if we count for 25 blocks? 100. 25 plus itself 3 more times makes 100. Stack up for number block 50s. What's the result? 200. It's an even build minus 50. 50, 50. 50 becomes 200. Try this for number blocks 20 for together. 96. Each 24 adds up step by step into a cheerful 96. 10 plus 10 again and again 4 times. 40. 10 added 4 times gives us 40 blocks. Count with me. 125 plus 125 plus 125 plus 125. 500. That's how we make a huge 500 with 4 125s. For blocks of 180, what do they make together? 720. Big stacks. 180 added 4 times builds a towering 720. Ready to build, add 4 blocks of 225. 900. Each 225 stacks into a tall and strong 900 block. Let's try adding for 95s. 380. It's neat math to 95 added 4 times equals 380. Add 4 blocks of 19 together. 76. Stacking 19 4 times builds a nice 76. What if we place 4 blocks of 28 side by side? 112. That's 28, 28, 28, and 28. I'll make 112. Can you add 18 blocks 4 times? 72. Step by step, 18 joins itself to make 72. Let's try for blocks of 130. 520. Stacking 130s 4 times, and voila, it's 520. Stack for number blocks 40. 160. For 40s, make 160. Clean and simple. What do we get from adding for 15s? 60. 15 again and again builds to 60. Can you count for blocks of 165? 660. Tall stacks of 165 form a big 660 block. Let's add 4 blocks of 27. What's the sum? 108. With 4 27s, we land at 108. Add 4 of the number block 22. How much do we get? 88. It's a balanced number minus 20 to added 4 times. Here's a challenge. Add 150 4 times. 600. For 150 blocks stack into 600. What if we take 4 blocks of 85? 340. 85 repeated 4 times builds 340.